Here's a short video just looking at all the protective devices inside this fuse board or consumer unit, which is in a domestic dwelling or house. So I've just lifted the lid and now you can see all the protective devices that are in use inside this fuse board or consumer unit. And I can see there's a mixture of RCBOs, RCDs and miniature circuit breakers. First of all, I just wanted to count up how many usable ways there are in this fuse board. So when the circuits have been designed, we've decided how many fuses we need to protect all the different circuits in the house. So if I count through, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 usable ways in this fuse board. And if we go and start from the left, we'll see here the main switch. That's a double pole switch. When that gets turned off, all of the electricity stops going through all of these circuits. Next to that, I've got 3 separate little circuits here, and if you can see closely, these are RCBOs, because I can tell because they've got the little test switch on the front of those. And what those are a combination of a residual current device, RCD, and also circuit breakers in one. So you can see on the front, this one's rated B32 and then a B6. I can see the 32 amp breakers for the kitchen sockets, and this one is for the lighting, the 6 amp one. Can you also see the little B on here? So it's a B32 and a B6, and that shows that it's a B-type breaker. And the B-type breakers are really good for domestic applications where there isn't much of a large inrush current on any of the equipment inside a house. So I haven't got any big motors or anything like that which would cause a large inrush current which would immediately trip my fuses. I'll then move along a little bit more. We've got an RCD, and you'll notice we've got 2 RCDs inside this fuse board. This RCD then protects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circuits here. Okay, so if there's a problem, if there's any kind of earth leakage fault on any of these circuits, this RCD will turn off. So then there'll be no electricity running through these circuits. Note though, the electricity will still be going to these and it will still be going to these. So I won't be completely without electricity. So then I've got another RCD here which protects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circuits as well. And you can see all the different little labels plonked on there to tell the consumer or anyone working on this fuse board exactly what each circuit is for. Okay, there you go. That's a fuse board. This is a fairly decent domestic sized fuse board. Fuse boards come in all different shapes and sizes, but this is a pretty nice size for a domestic property where you can split all the different circuits up nicely